casi nadie.
Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you the unboxing and first impressions about the Pamu Slide Mini. Thanks a lot to PadMate Tech for letting me try these headphones. PadMate Tech designed and produced wireless Bluetooth earbuds, headphones, earphones, speakers. So I have just received this Pamu Slide Mini, which are Bluetooth 5.0 true wireless stereo with Qualcomm aptX audio chipset for the best audio quality. They come really nice presented and packaged. They have very good finishes. They are really good finished. They wear a rubber cover to stay better fixed to the ear. You can run and not worry. They are very comfortable, they don't hurt and they don't fall either. So what's inside the box? The Bluetooth earbuds, the portable charging case, which has 400 mAh that gives to the earbuds 3 times fully charged. The charging case has 4 LEDs for battery level indicator. You can charge it via USB Type-C, cable included, or wireless with an iPhone or Samsung, for example. What's more, 6 ear tips for the different ear sizes. There you can read what's included. Trying the ear tips plus, they give an extra deep sound if you need. A carry bag, really smooth, really nice to touch. And the user manual. It includes different languages like Chinese, English, Deutsch, Spanish, French. There you can read Japanese, Korean. So I'm gonna show you a quick of it at English. How to pair them, really easy, really quick. They work with Qualcomm chipset. The different touch settings: one click, play and pause, double click at the left earbud, voice assistant, double click at the right earbud, the next song. You can answer or decline some calls. With one charge, up to 10 hours of music playing. So that was all about the unboxing and first impressions of the Pamus Lite Mini. Thanks a lot to PadMate.Tech. So what about the specs about these headphones? So trying them for the first time, with the charging case you have up to 30 hours of playback time. It has a really quick auto pairing. They have IPX6 water resistance, so for splashes while raining, for example. And also they have touch control for music, volume, response to calls. Another good feature about these headphones is that the case you can charge it wireless or via Type-C. Here I show you how they look in my ears and how the microphone works. So this is a sample of my voice recording audio with the Pamus Lite Mini. So this is another voice recorder where you can listen into a music background and me talking, for trying how it works, the noise cancelling. Just 5 minutes charging them can make 1 hour of music listening. I think it's a really good product for around $55 because has the touch control, wireless charging, good sound quality, and you don't have to pay around 200 euros for an AirPods from Apple or from Samsung, for example. It's a really good choice in my opinion. You can make calls with no problems. Audio isn't good on calls. Stay tuned for my next video. Please like and subscribe for more stuff like this. Hope you enjoyed my video and see you soon in my next videos. Bye bye.